Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Udemy.com. Udemy.com is an online learning platform where individuals can take online courses, both free and paid, on any subject that's possible to be taught online. The opportunity then for someone that has expertise on any one subject is that they can teach their own online course. And because there are no limits on a particular subject that you can teach, instructors come from all over the world and teach on all kinds of subjects. Now in this course, we're going to work through the practical process of creating a course and teaching it online at Udemy. And so by creating online content in video, text, and audio, you will be able to teach your students subjects in areas that you have expertise in. And as an instructor, Udemy is a revenue opportunity. If you look at the instructor's revenue share, instructors are paid 97% of revenues that they generate from traffic they bring, 50% of the revenues from traffic that Udemy brings, and 25% of the revenue that affiliates bring. Instructors can set their price at free all the way up to $200. So to get started, you'll want to go to udemy.com and then you'll want to click Become an Instructor. When you do that, you'll then want to click Sign Up for free. Once you've written in a name and email address, you're then going to click Sign Up. You'll want to verify that you're getting all Udemy correspondence by going to your inbox, making sure that you have an email from Udemy, and then you want to go back to the site. Udemy will take you through a short orientation to try to discern whether or not you have enough experience to get started. Once you complete it, you will go straight to your dashboard. You are then ready to start getting into the course creation process, and you'll be encouraged to create your course in the first 30 days. You can start with a test subject, and then you will be on your way. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.